Hi everyone, good morning. Welcome to another Monday. Welcome to another episode of Morning Star. I think shortly we'll be hitting 175. So let's see what happens then. So thank you everyone for joining. If you're on Zoom, if you have your videos on, if you're talking, your video and your audio will be recorded and you'll be going live on our YouTube channel. So if you don't want to be seen, you can keep your cameras off. If you're on Instagram, I will I will read any questions you have. So if you're on Instagram, please type your comments. I will read and try to answer. If you're on Facebook Live, I won't be answering any comments or looking at any questions. So if you want to be live, you might just want to, or if you want to interact, you might just want to hop onto either Instagram or Zoom. Okay, so let's get started. Kanika, yes, what would you like to ask?
So yeah, this is regarding one of your classes called B for format. B for format. I was wondering if you're taking any more classes regarding, with that.
I will. I'll be announcing shortly.
Yeah, because I would be interested in that. And there's another testimonial. I thought I'll just share something which I've been
Sure.
doing for a client. She's a 100 kilo client of mine, and she's been coming for. She's already taken like 3 sessions of tummy sculpting, so there's been a drastic 2-inch reduction from her overall tummy, the chest area, the belly area, and the back apparently. So
Awesome.
yeah, it's been working miraculously, and I just wanted to share that.
Thank you, Kanika. You just made my day. How does it get better than this? How
Yeah,
amazing.
it's a slow and steady progress, but yet there's difference. She can feel the difference, and there is inch difference, so which is wonderful. And how does it get any better than this?
Yes. So that's from my class called B4 Sculpting. It's extremely magical. If you want to change the shape, size, disease, pain, anything in your body, that is the class to do. Kanika had attended that class in Mumbai, and now she's talking about what she's seeing. I see changes every day, whether it's for someone's back or tummy or face. So the facials in this class are amazing, and you should definitely give your body a treat when you join these classes. Thank you. And B4 Formats is another class which I've invented, which will kind of format your head. It'll change your way of thinking, your creativity, the way you look at life, instantly relax you, remove everything from you. And the best part is it can be done distance also. There are so many best parts about it. One of the best parts is can be done distance. So I'll announce a session shortly. Please do join. I'm also going to very shortly announce where is it? Yes, certified spirit chant oracle card readers. So if any of you want to grab a copy of my cards, please do. I was waiting for the cards to be available. Right now, they are available on Amazon. Within a few days, you can get them. They've just published like in June. So I'll be announcing classes to become certified readers for spirit chants. This is not just oracle cards. It will heal you. It will remove your pain. It will change a lot of things in your life. So look
Do
out.
we do we do we have this available on Amazon? You said, right?
Yes, yes. Just go to Amazon and you say Nitya Chalam, you'll find this. Or Animal
Okay,
Spirit Chant Healing Deck is the name.
but I don't know how to do it.
There's a
Okay,
beautiful book that will tell you exactly what to do.
okay.
But if you want to be an officially certified reader, I'll announce the class shortly. You can join. So grab your copy today. Then when you join the class, you'll understand amazing cards telling you of, like Be Spirit, Grant Me Focus, telling you what you should change in your life for your life to become better. And it can deal with a lot of things, whether it's pain, whether it's disease, whether it's emotion. It's not an oracle deck as such. It'll heal you. So also I have some free spirit chant classes Tuesday on my Instagram. If you just go and visit last week's and not last week's last week Priyanka gave some amazing stuff. Couple weeks back my Instagram, you'll see me doing free readings with this deck. So you can see that and also learn how to do this for yourself and others. So all new stuff showing up from Unearth Vanath. Hi Jigna, thank you for joining.
So good to see you, Nitya.
So good
Good
to see
morning.
you too. Morning. And we do have an Access Foundation class coming up from 2nd to 5th August in Mumbai. I will be in Mumbai doing some live classes and intense matrix body classes. Intense matrix classes are only for those who've done particular levels of shamanic, but you can change so much in your body so fast. And foundation is the one class, is the manual that all of us should have been given when we were born, when we weren't. So I really, when I looked at the foundation, I was like, this should have been given to me 20 years ago. But at least you get it when you get it. So everything that brought up and let down for you, will you destroy and uncreate it? Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, pock, all nine shorts, boys, males. Foundation is a class that's definitely worth it. It will, it'll make you aware of who you are, what you're really here for. It'll make you aware of that whatever you've thought may not be wrong, and it'll help change everything: your money reality, your body, your relationships, your relationship with yourself, about entities. So you learn about so many things in 3.5 days, which is such a beautiful, beautiful gift, and you're never the same person again. So would you like your life to completely change, for you to, and for you to get all the tools that you require to make your life better? So these Morningstar calls, clearing calls, I give a lot of access consciousness tools, few or lot depending on the day, for you to kind of get into an energy that will completely change your life. So would you guys like to change anything and everything to do with your life? So everything that does not allow you to know, be, perceive, and receive, that will you destroy and uncreate? Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, pock, all nine shorts, boys, girls. So walk in only if you want change. If you want to be the same, then you shouldn't be listening to any of my classes or my calls. But the minute you invite change in your life, you would be called for these. And it's so amazing. It's just access consciousness questions. What I just talk is just English, but a lot of things in your life will change. We'll ask a question, we'll clear a few things, we'll say right, wrong, good, bad, pot, pock, all nine shorts, boys, poads, and beyonds. That goes into your subconscious and changes something in your life. It changes a point of view. So your point of view creates your reality. Every problem that you have is because of what you have judged, what you have thought, what you have emoted, or what you have judged. Yeah, I think I already said judged, but I'm repeating it. So anyway, it's basically your point of view that creates your reality. So would you like to just change your reality, whether it's your money reality, whether it is your health, whether it is anything that's happening in your life, just by the way you think? Then you need a clearing statement. Just hear a clearing statement and be the clearing statement and see it work for you. So everything that brought up and let down for you, will you destroy and uncreate it? Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, pock, all nine shorts, boys, girls. So what would you guys like to clear today? I've not prepared or planned anything. I don't have any topic in mind. So if anyone wants anything, this is the time to ask. Otherwise, I'll be taking over and I'll be talking about whatever comes based on the energy of everyone who's joining today. Money. Everyone needs money. Money is not a need, Mukta. When I say what you need today, you're not supposed to say money. That means you say you lack money. And if you lack money, can you ever have money? So everywhere you've decided money is a need and that you lack money, will you revoke, recant, renounce, denounce, reclaim, resign, destroy, and uncreate it? Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, pock, all nine shorts, boys, boys, and girls. What if you are the money in your life? Anyway, I've done some money calls. I'll be doing some money calls if you really want to change your money reality. It's not about joining those calls, it's about becoming the energy of those calls. It's about knowing that money is not more important than you or your body, and money is never a need for you. So money is something that will always come for you. You'll have enough money from today to the rest of your life. So would you ever worry about money? There's never going to be a lack of money, and there's never has been. Has there been a day in your life where you didn't have enough money to eat? Obviously not. You've always had enough money. So where does this insecurity come from that I'll not have money in the future? And if you have enough money for today, you are so blessed. You are abundant. Tomorrow is a new day and more money will follow. So everything that does not allow you to know, be, perceive, and receive the energy of money for what it is, will you now destroy and uncreate it? Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, pock, all nine shorts, boys, provides, and beyonds. Everything that does not allow you to know, be, perceive, and receive money for the energy that it is, will you destroy and uncreate it? Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, pock, all nine shorts, boys, poets, and beyonds. And whoever told you that, which age of yours has decided that you cannot make money, and as you grow older, your money flows will reduce? Everything that is, will you destroy and uncreate it? Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, pock, all nine shorts, boys, poets, and beyonds. The latest they're talking about in Access is a personality, something that's not you, that's not infinite, something that you've judged to that you are at that point, and then you just function as the personality that you're not you, that is not you, and you have multiple personalities at different times. You choose a personality of anger, you choose. So what personality are you being with money? What personality do you become when dealing with money? Everything that is, will you destroy and uncreate it? Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, pock, all nine shorts, boys, poets, and beyonds. So every day, do you say I am richer today and I get more money? Do you say I'm grateful for the money I have, or do you say I don't have enough? Where are you putting your energy with regards to money? And every time you're putting your energy in lack and I don't have enough, that will become true. Is that what you would like to create? So what if you can change your point of view? I've had more than enough money all my life. Money will always come to me one way or the other. And everything that does not allow you to know, be, perceive, and receive that, will you now destroy and uncreate it? Right, wrong, good, bad, pod, poc, all nine shorts, boys, birds, and girls. Yes. Any other questions, guys? What else would you like to know?
Do you talk about health or body related stuff?
What body related stuff?
About weight, about size and shape, maybe.
Do not judge your body, darling. It's your best friend. See, if I have a best friend and I go tell my best friend, you look ugly, you look big, you look, you don't look good enough, they will run away from you. Will they be your best friend anymore? Let go, best friend. Will they be your friend? But you do that to your body every day. Does your body ever run away from you? So it's one thing that really takes care of you. What if you can be kind to your body? You can ask your body, hey, show me how I can reduce so that I can be healthy. What's the best version of me that I can be? But never judge your body. Be kind to your body because it's one thing that's truly, truly kind to you. It's the magical thing. And that's why Gary says in Access, they say yummy bodies. Every body is beautiful, truly. And this is what I'm realizing. Earlier, I used to say it for the sake of saying everyone looks beautiful, not really meaning it. But now I've got the awareness that truly every body is beautiful. Everyone's touch is amazing. Your body loves to be hugged. Your body loves to be touched. Your body can receive so many things. And without your body, would you ever get the pleasure of food or water? Those are beautiful pleasures, like looking at with your eyes, looking at such beautiful flowers. With your nose, smelling something so amazing, sensing your senses, the smell before it rains. All these beautiful things you have because of your beautiful, beautiful body. So everything that does not allow you to know, be, perceive, and receive. Hi, Anuradha. Will you destroy and uncreate it? Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, shots, poets, and beyonds. So it's your body that's a gift to you. Why don't you treat it as a gift? Why do you take it for granted? Just because it does everything you say. Have you done that? Your mother does everything you say as you're a kid, and then you get to scold your mother because you can take it for granted. So, what is the value of taking your body for granted? Everything that is will you now destroy and uncreate it. Right, wrong, good, bad, pod, poc, all nine shots, boys, poets, and beyonds. What is the value of taking your body for granted? Everything that is will you destroy and uncreate it. Right, wrong, good, bad, pod, poc, all nine shots, boys, poets, and beyonds. What would it be like for you to treat your body as the gift that it is? Take care of it, nurture it. Ask your body what it would like to eat. Ask your body what movement it would like to do. Don't force your body like this is what you should eat. You are sick. So everything that brought up and let down will you destroy and uncreate it. Right, wrong, good, bad.
Right, wrong, good, bad, pod, poc, all nine shorts, boys, perverts, and beyond.
Okay. So tired. What do I choose now? I surrendered. Do not tell your body you're tired. Ask, how do I become more energetic? How do I get out of this? Anything you tell your body will become true. So if you say I'm fat, your body will put on fat. If you say I'm ugly, that'll become true. Don't do that to yourself. No one is ugly. No body's shape or size is wrong as such. Even in before sculpting, we will help you reduce your body shape, size, but we're targeting at good health. We're not targeting at you look ugly and you're not good enough. That's not the idea at all. So everything that brought up and let down, will you now destroy and uncreate it? Right, wrong, good, bad.
Right, wrong, good, bad, pod, poc, all nine shorts, boys, perverts, and beyond.
Okay, Anuradha, I'm going to mute you. Thank you. Okay, right, wrong, good, bad, pod, poc, all nine shorts, boys. Would love to know about your journey with awareness. Like you would say that all bodies are beautiful and now you have awareness of it. Some more awareness, please. Rashida, you'd have to pay me for that. And awareness does not come for free, does it? So everything that brought up and then you destroy and uncreate it. Right, wrong, good, bad. Pod, poc, all nine shots, boys. I'm just kidding. I think you get it when you get it. No one can actually give you the awareness. No one can just tell you this is what happened. It's about you acknowledging it yourself. But I'll attempt because I always used to like people who have big bodies don't look really good, and you have to look extremely, extremely slim and whatever beauty standards to be really beautiful. And even then, however slim you are, you never fit in those standards. But now, with the way my body is, the way I feel with my body, when you wake up with no pain, isn't that a gift? When you sleep so properly, isn't that a pleasure? So I'm realizing these beautiful pleasures that my body is giving me that I've been taking for granted. And then, when you look at yourself through the eyes of the universe, not through your eyes are very, very judgmental. But when you allow yourself, so I've written a book called A Place Called Home, I don't know if how many of you are aware of it. Please read that. It will give you a different relationship with your body. There's a beautiful question in that book that says, "What is unconditional love?" And you have to experience it. No one can explain it to you. But there was a time when the universe, when I felt what it is and how much unconditional love the universe has for me. And that's when I was like, I don't have to judge anyone. The universe can give this amount of unconditional love to anyone and anything. And personally, I used to be extremely masculine, uh, and I couldn't dress in feminine colors or feminine clothes. And I've taken a full change. But even if I dress feminine, I would always feel like I'm so masculine and ambitious and blah blah blah. I do look like a girl nowadays, right? I hope so. So everything that brought up and let down, will you destroy and create it? Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, pock, all nine shorts, boys, birds, millions. It's only now that I've started acknowledging that, yeah, my body is feminine and I do look good as a woman. So, it's just things which you keep on repeating, which initially you don't believe, but you keep on saying and then saying, and one day it becomes you. So that works. So it's okay if you don't believe it, just keep on saying it until you really get it. And then I acknowledge my body for what it is. Now I'm okay with the way my body looks. Otherwise, I was like, I have to reduce my size, I have to reduce my breasts, I have to reduce this, I have to do that. So everything that brought up and let down, will you destroy and uncreate it? Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, pock, all nine shorts, boys, women. Hi Pooja, thank you for joining. So I think Rachita, you'll get it when you get it. If you've not yet got it, ask yourself like, what beauty are you missing? Because every body is magic. Everybody knows how to heal itself. Everybody knows how to run. Everybody moves. Everybody is magic. No one's is any less. And whether you allow it to be that for you or not is the question, is the trick. So are you allowing yourself? What would it be like for you to never take your body for granted, to acknowledge your body? So everything that does not allow you to know, be, perceive, and receive that, will you now destroy and uncreate it? Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, pock, all nine shorts, boys, and girls. And I really got some awareness that, people don't really care about how you look. Does anyone care about how I look? You're not coming to me because I look good, do you? If you do, that's fine. Please do not stop. I will try to look as good as I can. But you're coming to me because there's something that my being might be giving you. There's some respect. There's something going on. You see some change, or for yourself. You don't go and make a friend because their body looks pretty, do you? So everything that brought up and let down, will you destroy and uncreate it? Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, pock, all nine shorts, boys, and girls. You don't go and like a person because their body is. I mean, I do. I know people who look really good and I drool over them. But anyway, right, wrong, good, bad, pot, pock, all nine shorts, boys, but you don't become friends with someone or go to someone just because they look really good, do you? It's about something else that they be, which invites you to change. And your body is that gift that you have. So would you allow your body to be that, or are you judging your body that no one likes me, my body is not good enough? Rachita is saying she comes for Sparky. See, you need to get a body that looks even better. So everything that brought up and let up, you destroy and uncreate it. Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, pock, all the entrance, boys, and mutants. So when you are not judging someone and doing business with them or making friends with them because of the way they look, why would the way you look be so important to you? And why would you judge your body that way? Does it make sense, guys? Everyone? Yes or no? So everything that brought up and let down for you, will you destroy and uncreate it? Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, pock, all nine shorts, boys, and beyonds. So that's it, Rachita. Just acknowledge that, my body is pain-free. It's amazing. My body is enabling me to eat. It's amazing. And that's all we have to be for your body. Be for your body. It will see how you change. Because I have changed my body from where I was to where I am. It's a huge change. You guys should see my old pictures. You will not believe that that was me. So everything that brought up and let down, will you destroy and uncreate it? Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, pock, all nine shorts, boys, and girls. And when you want to abuse yourself, you don't like yourself, the first thing that you really abuse is your body. Does your body deserve that? What is the value of you being unkind to your body? Everything that is, will you destroy and uncreate it? Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, pock, all nine shorts, boys, and beyonds. All personalities you're taking to judge your body, will you destroy and uncreate it? Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, pock, all nine shorts, boys, and beyonds. All personalities you're being to judge your body, will you destroy and uncreate it? Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, pock, all nine shorts, boys, and beyonds. And everywhere you need someone else to acknowledge your body and tell your body that it is beautiful, instead of you being there for yourself, will you revoke, recant, renounce, denounce, reclaim, resign, destroy, and uncreate it? Right and wrong, good and bad, pod and pock, all nine shorts, boys, povads, and beyonds. Okay, cool. So, any other questions, guys? Is that enough for you, Jigna? Would you like something more? And you just see it, right? You just feel good and feel pretty. Then everyone kind of says, "Oh, you look pretty," because it's not about the way you look. It's about something else. It's about the energy you carry, right? And the universe never said that. Rachita is saying, please do a talk to animals class as well. I will get in touch with you, Rachita. So let's figure out that too. But you should attend B4 Formats is one of the best classes that I'm doing. It'll change things like crazy. You should attend my Spirit Chant classes if you've not yet attended. I think you have. But the decks are available right now. So please grab your copy. And I think, Rachita, you're already a certified Spirit Chant facilitator. If you are, then you can call yourself a certified animal spirit chant oracle reader too. So amazing cards. If you join our Insta tomorrow, Tuesday morning, I'll not be on Facebook, I'll not be on Zoom, but if you join Unearth One Earth Instagram page, we will be doing some amazing free readings, some free journeys, some great shamanic work for whoever is joining, right? Right. So what else would you guys like to clear today? Would you just like to be in love with yourself? And if you don't love yourself, who else can? Who else will? Who else do you expect would? So everything that brought up and let down for you, will you now destroy and uncreate it? Right, wrong, good, bad, pod, pock, all nine shots, boys, boys. I know, Rachita, that's why I said you can call yourself a certified animal spirit chant, oracle, healing deck, facilitator, big words. Did you see how amazing those words are? So everything that brought up and let down, will you destroy and uncreate it? Right, wrong, good, bad, pod, pock, all nine shots, boys, boys, and beyonds. So what if you could truly love your body and allow it to change? What if you talk to your body? What if you ask your body, what would you like to wear today? What would you like to eat today? Where would you like to go today? Body, how much fun can we have together today? So everything that does not allow you to know, be, perceive, and receive that, will you now destroy and uncreate it? Right, wrong, good, bad, pod, pock, all nine shots, boys, povads, and beyonds. And all the personalities that you're using to judge your body, all the personalities that you're using to create your money flows, will you now destroy and uncreate it? Or all the personalities you're using to destroy your money flows, will you destroy and uncreate it? Right, wrong, good, bad, pod, pock, all nine shots, boys, povads, and beyonds. So guys, I do have a foundation class. It's the most amazing class that everyone requires. Your prereq is to have done access bars. So if you've done access bars and you would like to meet me in person, do join my foundation class in Mumbai from August 2nd to 5th. Jigna is my lovely host, and she can talk to her and she can explain whatever you'd like. You can talk to me directly too, and I can happily tell you what it is. You're welcome to repeat foundation if you've already done it also. It's one of the classes that you should not miss. So how does it get better? And when you repeat a foundation class, it will never be the same class. Even if it's the same facilitator or a different facilitator, it's always a different class. So would you like that energy in your life? Okay, so that is something you have to. If I choose to expand my business, what can I ask? If you choose, choice precedes any question. So make a choice, you'll get the awareness. So you don't have to ask any questions. If you're very clear, this is what I desire, it will happen. Choice supersedes every question that you may ever ask. So everything that brought up and let down for you, will you destroy and uncreate it? Right, wrong, good, bad, pod, pock, all nine shots, boys, boys. Choose what you would like in your life. Choose what you would like in your life, and the universe will give you all the awareness that you require. So you can let go of any point of view that's stopping your business. So all the points of view stopping my business from expanding, I now destroy and uncreate it. Right, wrong, good, bad, pod, pock, all nine shots, boys, boys, and beyonds. Any points of view that's stopping my body from receiving, I now destroy and uncreate it. Right, wrong, good, bad, pod, pock, all nine shots, boys, boys, and beyonds. Okay, does it make sense, guys? Okay. Yes, any other questions? I think we're all good. So let's have an amazing week, amazing month. And we're officially half year over. More than half year is over. This year is running like crazy. Cannot believe January to July. God, I don't know what's happening with time, but exciting times. So what would it be like for you to attract more exciting and inviting and nurturing times and everything that does not allow that, will you now destroy and uncreate it? Right and wrong, good and bad, pod and pock, all nine shorts, boys, poets, and beyonds. With that, I will see you guys next Monday. Or even better, you can take a paid session from me and meet me anytime. That's even better for you. So everything that brought up and let down, will you destroy and uncreate it? Right, wrong, good, bad, pod, pock, all nine shorts, boys, and okay, love you guys. So see you next Monday. Bye bye.
Thank you. Bye.
So much. Bye.